Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you one or two analysis I did during the weekend because today is actually Sunday and this video by God's grace is going to be uploaded on the 28th, no, on the 29th of Seed, which is the next day on 12 a.m. So what am I trying to do? On your screen, you can see my trade has already been taken. I've already placed the trade exactly at this zone you are seeing, and it's already running in profit because this is one thing I love about crypto. If this was normal forex trade, I would have wait till the market open before I place the trade. But in other hand, I usually love to wait when the market opens so that I can see a clear move of BTC. But for this, I couldn't escape this because my structure I've already displayed, like it's a clear confirmation that this market, this BTC trade is going to go down at this zone. So I quickly decide to take the trade, you know. But inside there, if the trade went south when I took the trade, that's when I will now wait till the market open before I find another setup for this. But the confirmation has already given me confirm a clear conference that this market is going to go down. So let me first of all go to my Telegram channel so that you will see when I posted the trade earlier. So you can see from the screen, this is Forex Crypto Blue Piece. For those who are not in the channel, you can check on the link on the comment section or on the description section because I'm going to be posting the link on the description of this video. So all you have to do, just click the link, then you join, you will automatically come to this space. So I don't charge any money for the signal. It's just free for all of us to make free money on this platform. So as you can see on the screen, this is actually the name of the name of my Forex Crypto Blue Piece channel. So as of let me see. I'm trying to capture the time when this one sent. Let me see if I can move this away from here. All right, good. So as of 12:34, this was when I saw this. Although the trade has already been taken, when this 1 hour bullish candle was going to the upside, it hit up to this. This is when I knew that this is going to go down. So after the bearish candle of this 1 hour that you are seeing here, that was when I took the trade, calculate my stop loss and my risk reward. I place the trade at this zone. So let's go back to the current chart of this trade. Yeah, you can see all this happened today. You can check from the screen of my video. This is actually 28th of January 28th of June 2026, and the current time now is 7 p.m. Yeah, and today is actually Sunday, and that is the current time now. So you can see the trade is already in profit. If you check at the screen of this video too, I think at your right you will see the trade on my MetaTrader 5 has already been placed there. So on the trade, let me go to my setup. I will have to let me show you how I cut up that trade, my analysis, and how I was able to place the trade at that particular horizontal line. First of all I do, I go to my daily time frame. I go to my daily time frame. This is a new clear chart. I have to enter another chart so that you will see the beginning of this trade setup. So all I do, I first go to my daily time frame, mark at the recent supply and the recent demand. As for the chart, this is the recent This is the recent resistance, and this is the recent support. So whenever you mark any recent of the high, basically my trading strategy is always something like support and resistance level. I've talked about that before. That's what I usually do. So you can see I've already marked the recent high and the recent low of this particular daily time frame. So all you have to do whenever the market come, I'm coming. Whenever the market, for this now, this is the recent support. Whenever the market come, I'm coming. Okay, whenever the market go up, touch this line again, there is always a bounce to the upside. So the same thing with when the market come to this zone and come back, there's always a bounce to the downside. That's how you usually go till the breakout of this zone before you see something like a break and retest, then you take a trade. So obviously for this daily time frame, you can see this is a downtrend. This is actually a downtrend. Let me remove this. How to do this very fast. I don't want to waste time on this. This is not a long tutorial that will be spending time. I just did this so that I will show you how I cut off that trade. You understand? So let me leave out this one. So for this, the recent low and the recent high of this daily time frame has already been marked. So all you have to do again to go back to my 4 hour time frame, go back to your 4 hour time frame, then you mark again the recent high, which is this, and the recent low, that is this. So I'm about to remove this because for this 4 hour time frame is not invalid for us for this particular chart we are seeing here. So all you have to do, mark the recent low and the recent high. For this, I think this is my recent high for this particular 4 hour time frame. Let me remove this because we are not going to be using this now. We have to wait till the market get to this zone before we start making use of this horizontal line. So let me remove it so that I won't get too confused on this. So you mark the recent high and the recent low of the 4 hour time frame. You can see from this, very very simple, the recent high and the recent low have already been marked. You can see from this place, from this recent support, you see what the market did when it came back to this recent support again. It went down. Unfortunately, the bearish candle of this was a very weak one. You have to like retrace back to this upside again without a full candle breakup. So that's a signal that we are going to be buying at this zone, but you have to like check it on a 1 hour time frame. So for this, let me go straight to this trade setup. The low and the high has already been marked. All right. So all you have to do again, let's just concentrate on the, this is actually Sunday. Let me show you how it was done, how I did it on Saturday before we start seeing the results we are seeing right now. So as of Saturday, this was a recent high. As of Saturday, this was the recent high. So if you are the type of trader who also use chart pattern to trade, if you check some of my video, I always make this illustration about chart pattern, especially BTC. The usual and the casual chart pattern I always see every time on trading BTC and NAS 100 is double bottom double top, and a head and shoulder chart pattern. It always clear for me because I usually see it whenever it starts projecting, whenever it starts forming. I always quickly see it. All you have to do, just get patient and know when to strike. So this was on Saturday. My recent high and my recent low has already been taken out, but for this was the recent high. So when the market came to this place, it, it came all the way here and go up. I'm coming. Let me remove this. This is confusing me. Let me make use of this part. So on Saturday, my recent resistance has already been taken, which is this, my recent resistance level. So when the market came to this place, it came here, but unfortunately it broke to the upside, forming another resistance level at the top here. Then it came all the way again, go back and test this place. You see what I'm telling you about chart pattern. If you study about chart pattern, you will know that this is a head and shoulder chart pattern. It has already given me the clear head and shoulder chart pattern at this zone. That is the reason why I took the trade at this zone here. It's because it has already given me a head and shoulder chart pattern at this zone. So I think that will be all for today. I've taken much of the time. So guys, if you need more of this or you want to learn more about trading, because I myself I trade constantly every day, and I usually trade BTC and as 100, because these two crypto, which category does NAS belong again? No, I always forget to check the category NAS belong. Two of these trading pair always give me a clear confirmation on when to trade. You understand? So this is something where I need to like teach you one on one, especially on the premium mentorship class. You understand? So if probably you want a full mentorship, you want to learn how to trade, you can chat me up on my Telegram channel. My username is there. Chat me up. A free one-on-one mentorship or a class. I can fully teach you on this particular strategy, because if I start to like unleash everything about this video is going to like take up to an hour, probably 2 hour time frame. You get. So that's it for today. And for the signal group, like I said before, is free. I don't charge for it. I don't charge for it. So all you have to do, just stay active on the group, because I usually post my signal there free of charge. It's not be monetized. So all you have to do, like I said, check on the comment section of this video or the description of this video. I'm going to be putting the link of my Telegram channel on this video. So stay tuned and stay motivated. This week is going to be blissful for us, the way I'm seeing it. In as much the market is bleeding, but it's going to be very, very blissful for us. So that will be all for today. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to this video. See you on my next video. Thank you.